Hello friends, welcome again my channel, and today in this video I will solve this bandage puzzle. So it is very simple and very easy puzzle. We can call bandage by cube. Okay, so before scramble this puzzle, if I check this puzzle, in this puzzle we have one small corner. So this is white, red and blue, and remaining all piece we can see they are big size piece, but only we have one small corner. So this is our free corner. By using this corner we can solve cube easily. Okay, so this is our white face, this is our red face. Okay, so this is our blue face. In this side we have yellow, orange and green. So when we place this corner in our front side, so in this back position we have this big size piece. So this is our big size piece, so this is useless piece. We just solve our cube, and when we solve this cube we will place this big size piece in this back position. So only three kind of algorithm we will use in this cube. So algorithm 1, 2 and 3. Mostly in this cube we will use algorithm 1. One time we will use algorithm 2, and 1 or 3 time we will use algorithm 3. So algorithm 1, F R U F R I F2 UI. So once I apply this algorithm, so we have changed these piece 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there is green, red and yellow. We place green, red and yellow in this position. So there white, red and green we have in this position. So again I will apply algorithm 3 or 4 times. So we will place these all piece on its original position. Okay, so now I will show second algorithm. So second algorithm is mirror algorithm of algorithm 1. So our second algorithm is U F2 R Fi UI Ri Fi. So I apply this algorithm, so we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 piece. So this algorithm also rotate these 5 big piece. So again I will apply this algorithm 4 or 5 times, so I can place every piece on its original position. So now I will show second algorithm. So our third algorithm. So our third algorithm just rotate these 3 piece. I mean this is our white face and this is our top face. So when we apply our algorithm third, so just rotate these 3 piece. This will shift in this side, this will shift in this side and this will shift in this side. So our third algorithm is R U R I F2 L F L I U I F. So in this bottom side we can see we have no changing, but in top side we can see there was white, red and yellow. So we have placed white, red and green. So we have placed in this position, and blue, white and orange piece we have fixed in this side. I mean we rotate these 3 piece clockwise. So if I apply this algorithm 2 times, so this white face will be solved. So R U R I F2 L F L I U I F. Okay, now again I will apply same algorithm R U R I F2 L F L I U I and F, and we can see again we place all piece on its original position. So just memorize these 3 algorithms and we will use our this cube. Okay, so now I will scramble this cube and then I will show that how we can solve this cube. Okay, so I have scrambled this puzzle. Now when we try to solve this puzzle, our first step we will solve our cross. I mean this we will place this piece in our front side, and this is our white face. So one white slot we will fix in this position, one red slot we will fix in this side, and blue will fix in this position. So we will complete our cross. So in this step we have no any specific trick and any specific algorithm, is just depend on practice. So we just rotate our piece and we will try to solve our cross. So now we can see I just rotate 1 or 2 times, so I have complete my cross. This is white face, So there is white, and this is also matching with this green. This is red side, so this is matching with this red and also matching on this position. So this is blue side, so we can see this is also matching from this side. We just check like that. Again I will scramble my puzzle, and second time I will again try to solve my cross. Okay, so again I scramble my cube, and again I will try to solve our cross. So again I have scrambled this puzzle, and I will try to complete white cross. So I will try from different angle. So okay, again we can see our cross we have complete. So it is just depend on practice, and we can complete our cross easily. So this is matching, this is also, this is also. So that was our first step. Now I will solve this bottom portion. When we complete our white cross, our first step, we will hold cube like that. I mean, we will place this big size piece in this back position, and our first piece that we will solve. So this is our orange, green and yellow piece, but we can see this is already matching on its position properly. So first I will scramble this piece, and then I will show that how we can place this piece with this big piece. So now when we complete our white cross, so our first step, we will place in this position our orange, green and yellow piece. First we will bring our piece on this position, because we will fix our piece on this side, so we will place our piece on this position. So we will just keep this free corner in our front side, and we will apply algorithm 1, and our piece will shift in this position. So this is our piece, so orange, green and yellow we will fix in this side. So we will apply algorithm number 1, FRU FRI F2 UI. So once we apply algorithm, so we can see our piece shift in this position. Again I will apply same algorithm, FRU FRI F2 UI. In this time we can see our piece we have shift in this side. So again apply algorithm number 1, FRU FRI F2 UI, and in this time I apply algorithm, so we can see we have placed our piece on its ideal position. So this piece will shift in this side. So this is our ideal position. Okay, so now first I will show another case. So this is our another tricky case. When we complete our cross, in this position we need orange, green and yellow piece, and in this time we have find our piece orange, green and yellow in this position. I mean, this is fixed with this free corner. So when we apply algorithm number 1, so our this piece will live on its original position, so this piece will not rotate. So how we will free this piece from this position? When we find this piece on this position, so we will apply algorithm number 1, but we will just change our holding position. So now we can see white we have in our top side, red in our front side. So we will hold cube like that. We will place white in our front, red in our right side, and we will apply algorithm number 1, FRU FRI F2 UI. Again we will hold cube like that. So white on top, red in our front. So now we can see we have free our piece, and we have shift in this side. Now we will apply 2 or 3 times our algorithm, so this piece will shift in this position, FRU FRI F2 UI. So this is our piece, FRU FRI F2 UI. So now we can see we have placed our piece on its ideal position. So now we will shift this piece on this position. So this is our holding position, white on top, red in our front, there is blue. So first we will create our setup. So just hold cube like that, and our setup is RDRI. Okay, so now we can see in this position we have green. Now we will apply algorithm number 1, FRU FRI F2 UI. And now we will undo our setup R D prime R prime. So again we can see we have rematch our white cross, and now if we check this piece, so this is matching properly. So first slot we have fixed on its position. Now its opposite piece we will fix on its position. So its opposite piece red, blue and yellow. So in this position we need red, blue and yellow, but we will fix our red, blue and yellow piece on this position. So we can see this is already matching on this position. So this is our ideal position. We will fix red, blue and yellow. So first we will place red, blue and yellow in this opposite side. So this is already placed, but if we not find our piece in this position, so how we can place our piece in this position? Okay, so this is fixed. Now we need blue, red and yellow piece. First we will place blue, red and yellow piece in this opposite side. So this is our piece. So we will just apply algorithm number 1, and we will apply algorithm, and this piece will shift in this position. So FRU, FRI, F2, UI. One time we have apply algorithm, so this is our piece. FRU, FRI, F2, UI. So this is our piece. FRU, FRI, F2, UI. Okay, so this is our piece. FRU, FRI, F2, UI. And we can see we have placed our piece on its ideal position. Now we will match this piece on this position. So in this time we will change our holding position. First we will place second piece in this position, because this piece will shift in this side. Now red in our front, white in our top. So what we will do, we will hold cube like that. White in our front, red in our right side. And now we will apply algorithm number 1. FRU, FRI, F2, UI. And again hold cube like that. White on top, red in our front. So now we can see this piece we have also shift on its original position. So this is done. This is also done. Now our third piece, so we will fix our third piece in this position. So this is very easy. We just apply algorithm number 1, and in this position we will place blue, yellow and orange. So just apply algorithm 1. FRU, FRI, F2, UI. Once I apply algorithm, so in this position we need blue, yellow, orange. So this is our piece. Again we will apply algorithm FRU, FRI, F2, UI. Again we will apply our algorithm FRU, FRI, F2, UI. And we can see we have also placed our third piece. Now we will just fix our last fourth piece, and our bottom will be solved. So in this position we need red, green and yellow. So first we will place red, green and yellow piece in this position. So this is ideal position. So in start of video I show algorithm number 3 that can rotate these 3 pieces. So when we fix these 3 pieces, we just fix in this position green, red and yellow. So we will must find our piece in this side, in this side and in this side. So if we find our piece in this side, so this is our ideal position, but we have find in this position 2 times. I will apply algorithm number 3, so this piece will shift in this side. So I will apply algorithm number 3. RU, RI, F2, L, F, LI, UI, F. Once I apply algorithm number 3, so in this position we shift piece in this side. Again I will apply same algorithm, so this piece will shift in this side. So algorithm is RU, RI, F2, L, F, LI, UI, F. Now we have placed our piece on its ideal position. So now we can fix this piece on this position easily. So how we can fix our piece on this position? So first we will change our holding position. We will place white in our front and red in this right side. And now we will apply algorithm number 1. FRU, FRI, F2, UI. So I have applied algorithm. Now I will place blue face in this front side. So we just follow this free corner. So now we can see this is our blue face. Now I will apply algorithm number 2. So our algorithm number 2 is U F2 R Fi UI Ri Fi, and now again we will keep white face in our front like that, and we will place white in our front. And now I will again apply algorithm number 1, FRU FRI F2 UI. Okay, so now we just place white in our top side, and we have complete our bottom. This piece is fixed, this is also fixed, this is also, and this is also. Now we just solve our top face. So this is very easy step. We just apply algorithm number 3, and in this time we can see we will apply algorithm number 3 one time. So this white blue will shift in this side, this will be solved, white orange will shift in this side, and this piece will shift in this side. Sometimes we need to apply it 2 times and our cube will be solved. So just hold cube like that. So this is our main holding position, white in our top, red in our front, blue in this side. Now we will just apply algorithm number 3, R U R I F2 L F L I U I and F, and we can see we have also solved our this top side, and we have complete our cube. So this is very simple and very easy puzzle. So just this piece, this last 4 pieces some little bit tricky, and remaining these 3 pieces we can fix easily. So I just request to everyone, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.